Welcome back to Fireside Cocktails with Robbie. It's Friday night, April 17th, and that means happy birthday, Mommy. That's right, it's my mother's birthday, Lillian Seibert. So happy birthday. So tonight, in her honor, I'm going to do a sunny, bright spring drink. This makes no sense because it's snowing outside right now. But we're gonna go ahead and do it because why not? We have nothing better to do. The last few weeks we've done classic traditional cocktails. This evening I'm gonna do an original. This is a cocktail I've done at the Gladstone Tavern for a few years called the Raspberry Blossom. It can be made with vodka or gin, but we did a gin drink already, so let's try vodka tonight. So here's the Raspberry Blossom. We're gonna take your Gladstone Tavern mixing glass. We'll start with vodka. Tonight I'm using Kettle One vodka. You can use anything you'd like here, as long as it doesn't come in a giant plastic container. You should be okay. Let's start with 2 ounces of vodka for this cocktail. Okay. Next we're going to use an elderflower liqueur. Normally I would use Saint Germain. It's a gorgeous bottle, but in the quarantine season economy, we're going to go with the Saint Elder, which is a much more economical bottle. So anyhow, we're going to use ½ an ounce of elderflower. Next, I'm going to use a homemade raspberry syrup, which is fresh raspberries, sugar, and water. We're going to use ½ an ounce of raspberry syrup. Next, we're going to use fresh squeezed lemon juice, also ½ an ounce. There we go. This is going to yield a beautiful pink color, as you could already tell. We're going to add some ice to this glass. So this is a shake cocktail. You take your cocktail shaker. Shake, 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 shake. All right. Now, I'm gonna take a large, nice glass, large ice cube. This is gonna be a strain. Oh, beautiful. We're going to garnish this with a nice lemon wheel, some fresh raspberries, and that is a Raspberry Blossom. Happy drinking.